In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Walgreens gift card. If you want a quick, thoughtful present or just need to load funds for your own use, the process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. You'll need your preferred payment method and, if you're sending it to someone, the recipient's details. Start by opening Walgreens, either in your web browser or in the mobile app. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar and type gift card. Hit search and you'll see the Walgreens gift card options appear. Next, choose the type of gift card you want. You can pick an e-gift card, which is delivered by email and arrives quickly, or a physical gift card, which is shipped to a street address and can be tucked into a card or given in person. Think about how soon you need it. E-gift is fastest. Physical cards are great if you prefer something you can hand over. After choosing the type, select the amount you'd like to load. Common preset amounts include $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, $150, and $200. Pick the value that fits your budget and the occasion. Now enter the recipient details. For an e-gift card, type the recipient's name and email address. For a physical gift card, provide the name and a complete shipping address. There's also an optional message field. Add a short note if you'd like to personalize the gift. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of names and emails and verify the address to avoid delivery issues. When everything looks good, add the gift card to your cart. Proceed to checkout and choose your payment method. You can pay with a credit card, a debit card, or PayPal. Enter your billing details carefully and ensure they match your payment account to prevent any processing delays. Before you finalize the purchase, review your order details from top to bottom. Confirm the gift card type, the amount, the recipient information, and the quantity. If there are any delivery estimates or shipping charges for a physical card, make sure they look right. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Place Order. You should see an on-screen confirmation and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep that email for your records. It contains your order number. For e-gift cards, the recipient will get an email with the gift card and instructions to redeem it. For physical gift cards, you'll receive shipping updates until it arrives. And that's it. Your Walgreens gift card is on the way.